lungs in a great big world.
The story of a pair of lungs that smoked as a team and never grew to normal size.
My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this.
Law enforcement warning for the following counties. All of Idaho. Effective until further notice. Within the past 6 hours, over 720 ounces of cocaine have been distributed to civilians across the entire state of Idaho, from an unknown individual or organization. Not much is known about the source of this drug, but drug usage rates and drug-related deaths have increased across the state by a whopping 8%. If you notice any illegal drug distribution or have any information regarding this current situation, dial your local law enforcement agency immediately.